How to fix the bubble on your Messenger app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video we are simply going to learn how we can fix the bubble not popping up on Messenger app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So what are Messenger bubbles? Messenger bubbles are simply the normal chat heads which displays on top of your screen whenever you are doing some other task, and then it makes you convenient to actually reply to a message without actually having to open the app itself. So what if your bubbles are not working in Messenger? If that is the case, we are going to want to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can fix that very easily. So first of all, I'm going to simply open Messenger and make sure we have actually turned that feature on. So there is a different setting in the app between where you have to turn that feature on. For that, once you open Messenger, on the top left, you want to simply tap on your profile button. As you tap on your profile button here, you want to scroll down, and at the bottom you'll find an option called chat heads right over here. And at the right hand side, you can see you want to make sure that this toggle is currently turned on, because if it is turned off, then you will not actually be able to see the bubbles on Messenger. So make sure you have actually turned this feature on. After that, next thing what you want to do is make sure you have updated the Messenger app to the latest version. So go ahead and open your app store. In the search box, you just type in Messenger and go ahead and try to see whether there is an update available or not. So go ahead and simply tap on the update button if there is an update available. After that, the next thing again we want to repeat is that we have to simply long press on this Messenger icon, and here you'll be able to see the I button. We are going to go ahead and tap on this I button, and here as we tap on the I button, you need to scroll down, and at the bottom you'll find an option called storage. So we are going to simply go ahead and tap on storage option, and here at the bottom again you'll find an option called clear cache and clear data. We are going to simply tap on clear cache as well as clear data, and then come back right over here. And then you also want to make sure you have allowed all of the permissions. So make sure you tap on the permissions option right over here. You want to allow all of the permissions such as your camera, contacts, files, media, so on. So go ahead and allow all of the permissions one after another. Once you allow all of the permissions, you want to come back right over here, and at the bottom you'll find an option called appear in top and picture in picture mode. So you want to make sure that picture in picture mode is also tap and allowed, and also appear in top is also tap and allowed. Once done, if this fixed your issue, then that's fine. If not, then the final thing only we can do is to simply open Messenger right over here. And first of all, since we cleared our data, I'm going to simply log into my account again. So after we log into the Messenger app again right over here, you want to simply open a chat of which you want the bubble to be shown. Once you open the chat, on the top right hand side, you want to simply tap on this I button, and as we tap on this I button again, you'll be able to see the three dots on the right hand corner. So go ahead and tap on three dot corners, and here you'll find an option called open chat head. So we are going to simply go ahead and tap on open chat head, and as you can see, the bubbles will be successfully showed up like this way. So this was the way on how you can actually fix the bubble issues on Messenger. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, and also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.